a very key role. HR is going to move to the corner cabins, and that is what is going to be the future. Thank you so much.
Over to you, sir.
I only want to express people who design so-called reward recognition programs in the organizations spend hours discussing what strategy will work, what strategy won't work, are here and we are celebrating them. So what better than celebrating HR? And I'm so excited to be here amongst all of you to celebrate this fraternity which always remained somewhere else lost earlier but is at center stage. And I think, guys, it's our time. So let's celebrate the evening. It is still young. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We move on to present the Learning and Talent Technology Excellence Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, and there are two clear winners. May I please invite you, with a repeated habit that you have, HCL Technologies Limited to step up. They'll be joined by Hero MotoCorp Limited. Congratulations, Hero MotoCorp. May I have your presence on stage, please? Congratulations. Best Talent Management Strategy is presented to ACC Limited. May I please invite ACC to receive the award, please?
The answer to the question about how we did in 2012 is very much built around organic growth, supplemented by acquisition growth, new business wins, net new business wins, and last but not least, managing our business in a very effective way.
Catch Martin Forel in an exclusive conversation on ET Interview, only on ET Now.
Brought to you by Infibeam.com. Shop with a smile.
वाओ, अपनी गाड़ी में पिकनिक। थैंक्स पापा।
ये स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया कार लोन्स का कमाल है। सिर्फ 1683 पर लाख के EMI।
That's so affordable. नहीं तो पहले buying a car was so expensive, ना?
For affordable car loans, visit your SBI branch today.
Hello Nikki, you want to join our mobile internet plan?
अबे
तू मैं और मोटू।
and me?
हाँ 5G भी शेयरिंग कर लेंगे और पैसे भी। She's on.
Super. क्या? अरे डाउनलोड का पैसा कौन देगा? तेरा पापा? कर रहा है।
Hello Nikki, you want to join our mobile internet plan?
अबे
तू मैं और मोटू।
and me?
हाँ 5G भी शेयरिंग कर लेंगे और पैसे भी। She's on.
Super. क्या? अरे डाउनलोड का पैसा कौन देगा? तेरा पापा?
राजन जी, समोसा खाइए, गरम गरम है?
और कोई ऑप्शन?
पहले लड़की को देख लेते हैं।
अरे बुलाओ भाई। बिटिया आ गई। बच्चों को हम कुछ दे।
अच्छी है, पर और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है। वो क्या है? राजन जी को magicbricks.com की आदत लगी है मनपसंद प्रॉपर्टीज के सबसे ज्यादा ऑप्शंस। magicbricks.com।
Retire rich with Bajaj Allianz Retirement Calculator, a tool that tells you how much you can save today to retire rich tomorrow. Bajaj Allianz Knowledge Capsules. Bajaj Allianz, Jio Befikar.
We are almost on the last leg of awards for this evening at the ET Now Talent and HR Leadership Awards 2013. To do the last set of honors and the singular awards at the end of the ceremony, may I please invite on stage Mr. S.K. Dutt, Director HR of the ABG Group. Joining Mr. Dutt this evening will be Nina Woodard, from Nina Woodard and Consulting Services. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for both of them. We move on to present the dream company to work for. It was tough. And this is going to be a great win for both of them. May I invite Infosys Limited to step up to receive the award. Ladies and gentlemen, India's favorite company, Infosys Limited. Congratulations. You will share this platform with DDB Mudra Private Limited. When we give you the mic, please introduce yourself and tell us what makes you so proud. To Infosys first, Masia, Infosys is here. And then to DDB Mudra.
I'm Jacinta. I work with Infosys like you here. What makes me proud? I think I joined Infosys 13 years back. And this is a huge moment for me. The reason why I continue to this company is because I don't find a reason to be out of it. I'm sure the thousands who aspire to join this company, one message for all of them: come to Infosys and live your dream.
Come to Infosys and live your dream. Congratulations to you, DDB Mudra.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, this is Mandar. I'm working with DDB Mudra Group for the last 7 years. It's been a great experience to work with this company. It's been a really dream place to work. It's a company which encourages the talent without tantrums. Hence, I guess this is a dream place to work.
Thank you, presenters, till I get you back on stage. The last awards, may I please invite Dr. Bhaskar Chatterjee and Mr. Harish Mehta to do the last set of honors. Ladies and gentlemen, if you'll welcome them once again. Award for Operational Excellence and Quality in BPO. This award is presented to MetLife Global Operations Support Center. May I please invite you, MetLife, to receive the award. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll put your hands on MetLife. Congratulations, MetLife. To HR leaders to be felicitated this evening, may I please invite Prasad Menon, Head HR McAfee, and Mr. S.K. Dutt of ABG Shipping to step up on stage to be felicitated as HR Leadership Awards. Congratulations to both the winners. Thank you till I invite you. Ladies and gentlemen, I have introduced the category. The category is significant to encourage entrepreneurship in individuals. I'm pleased to confer this on Mr. Sudhakar Adapa, High Mentor stage. Please put it together. Thank you. May I please invite Ran Janawade, Head of Electricity to receive his citation on stage. Education leadership, I wish to confer this upon International Business School. May I invite Health International Business School to step up if you're amidst us to receive the award. Congratulations, Halt. We have the last award to present, the CEO of the Year award. This is prestigious, and therefore this award is presented to Madhukar Kamath, Group C, TDB Mudra Private Limited. May I please invite you on stage to receive the accolade. Ladies and gentlemen, a good round of applause. Thank you so much, both of you. It's been wonderful for me to host this event for you. Let me take the center of the stage to give you my concluding remarks. HR, unless it is built into the fabric of the business. HR, unless it has those challenges to face that it has never faced before. HR, unless it can change and transform the lives of people internally as much as externally. I've enjoyed hosting this event for you this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, I must sign off. God bless you. Good night. Good luck. Thank you.
This is the place to be. For every HR professional, this is an aspirational place. To be recognized here each February at this event is really state of the art.
What is happening today is excellent from the IT industry's perspective. Industry is about $100 billion. Will go to $225 billion by 2020. And as you know, the major differentiator in our industry is the quality of HR and the quality of human resources. So the winners today, I saw so many of them are from the IT industry, and that when they go back to their workplace, they'll be far more enthused and deliver a fantastic performance for the industry.
The awards today in recognizing the people's strength in different industry, including the banking industry, was a great event. Banks play a major role in the economic development of the country, and I'm very proud to have been associated with this award.
Great to be rewarded as an entrepreneur at this prestigious forum, and I'd like to thank ET Now for giving us this opportunity, a forum to foster entrepreneurship, because HR as an industry sees less of entrepreneurship. It's important to recognize entrepreneurship in HR as well. And I'd like to thank ET Now as well as the organizers for embracing and accepting me as part of the HR fraternity and encouraging innovation and entrepreneurship even in the HR field.
The event is very, very important from our perspective, because this is the only forum which recognizes capitalism along with social good.
I think HR professionals are now wanting to create more happy workplaces, happy professionals, and I think overall increasing productivity for the organization and happy balance sheets.
In life's ups and downs, we help you bounce back. Max for life.
ऑफिस जाते हो मतलब तुम ही काम करते हो। एक दिन जी के देखो मेरी लाइफ।
एक दिन मेरी लाइफ जियो, नहीं खाना मुझे।
हाँ तो मत खाओ ना। आइडिया। आपका फोन पापा।
दे।
Ajay, sales are down. Need you here right now. ASAP.
मेम साहब मैं काम पे 2-3 दिन नहीं आएगी।
वर्मा फुल पैनिक है, अपनी छुट्टी प्लीज पोस्टपोन कर दे।
मैडम आर्टिकल का डेडलाइन आ जाए। Can't wait anymore.
मैडम पानी नहीं आएगा, भर के रखना।
Ajay, you have to go to Indore.
तो कैसा रहा तुम्हारा दिन?
चाय लाती हूँ।
नहीं मैं बनाता हूँ।
तो बर्तन भी कर देना।
एक दूसरे को समझने के लिए टेलीफोन एक्सचेंज। व्हाट एन आइडिया।
पेश है जादू
पापा जादूगर से बोलिए ना कि केबल के सिग्नल्स को ठीक कर दे।
आ गया और देता हूँ एक आवश्यक सूचना तुम्हें और तुम्हारे केबल ऑपरेटर को। जी हाँ, सरकार ने डिजिटाइजेशन प्रक्रिया शुरू कर दी है और 31 मार्च 2013 से इन 15 राज्यों के 38 शहरों में ये प्रक्रिया लागू हो रही है। इसलिए सेट टॉप बॉक्स लगाना हो गया है अनिवार्य। सेट टॉप बॉक्स से